Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find the settings, open them, and then let's scroll down in order to find General Management. Now let's tap on Reset. As you can see, it should be at the very bottom of this device, and tap on the second option. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap on Reset Settings. If you've got a pattern, PIN or password, then enter to confirm. And here we've got also the information that this action cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.